Hi everyone, I hope all are fine. So today we're going to discuss data handling like bar graph, line graph as well as circle graph. So let's start. So my first question that is about bar graph. So I have fruit and number of students. So first of all we try to draw bar graph. After that we will share all the answer. Okay. So if I see all the values, then we can say 25, 15, 30, 10 and 20. So difference I can say 5. Now we can draw apple is 25. So I can draw apple 25. So this is the our position. So I can draw like that. This is our straight line and this is our apple because apple mark 25. Got it? Now if I move banana, that is 15. So I can move like that. So this is the value. So this and this is our banana. Now mango is 30. So I can mark like that, approx this. Now I can draw mango, that is this. So this is our mango, like this. Okay. Now orange, that is 10. So this and this. So graphs 20. So I can draw this and this. So this is so our first question, which fruit is liked by the highest number of students? Like 30, mango. So first answer is mango. Okay. So first question done. Now second question, how many students like mango and grapes? So mango is 30 and grapes is 20. So second question, that is answer is combined. So we can add. So that is 50. Okay. So second question also done. Now third question, which fruit is the least popular among the students? Subsequent, that is orange. So we can write down that is orange. Third question done. कितने students से सर्वे हुआ था? तो we can add all the value. So 25, 15, 20, 30, 40, 40 is 70, 70 and 10, 80 and 100. 100 students. Okay. So fourth also done. Number 5 and fifth question, how many more students like apple than banana? मतलब एप्पल बनाना से कितने ज़्यादा है? तो एप्पल 25 एंड बनाना 15. सो दोनों का माइनस करेंगे तो 10 होगा. तो दैट इज आंसर इज 10. सो दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लाइन ग्राफ. मंडे टू संडे आपके पास डे है और उसका टेम्परेचर भी है. आपको पहले लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. चलो देखते हैं. मंडे 30 डिग्री. सो आई कैन मेंशन दिस. This is my point. Next, Tuesday 32. So 30, 31, 32. This value is 32. Okay. Next, Wednesday 34. So 30, 31, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. दिस. तो आपको जाना है इधर एंड दिस इज आवर 34. दिस पॉइंट. ओके. दिस पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट, थर्सडे 33. थर्सडे 33. तो this was the 34. So this is 33 and this. Yes, this is our 33. Next Friday 31. So 30, 31, this is our Saturday 29. This is 30, so you can move here. So I can draw, yes, this is our 29. Sunday 28. So 30, 29, 28. This is the value. Yes, this is our 28. Like this, and I can move like that. Move like, again I move in that way. After add this one, now I can move. So in that way you can draw your line graph. So this was 30, this was 32, this was 34, this was 33, this is 29, and this is 28. एंड ऑल्सो अब नंबर को y एक्सिस में कर सकते हो और डे को x में कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एज पर योर चॉइस यू कैन डू, बट ड्रॉ इन दैट वे. नाउ इफ आई सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चन, on which day was the temperature the highest? That is 34, that is Wednesday. So our first answer, that is Wednesday. Okay, second question, what was the difference in temperature between Monday and Saturday? Monday 30 and Saturday 29. Difference, that is only 1 degree. Now third question, how many days had temperature below 30 degree? That is Saturday or Sunday, anything. So below 30, that means only 2 days. Next question, what was the average temperature over the week? So if I add all the things like 8, 9, 17, 18, 21, 25, 27. So first of all you can write 7 and carry 2. So 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15, 53, 18 and 21. Okay, so 217, and by 7 division, because 1 week is equal to 7 days, so I can division by 7. So 7 3s are 21, and 7 1s are 7. So average, that is 31 degree centigrade. Okay, and which days was the temperature the same but all are different? That is no same value. Now final question, that is circle graph, also you can say pie chart. So let's start. So if I see all the data, activity and time spent: sleeping 8 hours, studying 6 hours, playing 3 hours, watching TV 2 hours, and other activity 5 hours. Okay, talk about circle graph. Suppose this is circle, so I can division like these, and these, and I have 5 different activities. So 1, 2 and 3. Suppose this is a 4. In that way I can division. If I talk about question, so first question, जब भी आपको फ्रैक्शन पता करना है, आपका जो डिनोमिनेटर में होगा, जो नीचे होगा, ये टोटल वैल्यू होता है. तो अगर टोटल ऐड करेंगे तो 8 6 14, 14 3 17, 17 2 19, and 19 5 24. We can write down like डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होगा 24, and starting, that is 6, so I can write down 6. Now I can cut all the value. 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So our first answer, that is 1/4. This is our first answer. Okay, second question, how much time is spent on playing and watching TV? It's okay, तो playing 3 hours and TV 2 hours. So our second answer, that is 3 plus 2, 5 hours. Okay, fine. So first and second complete. Third, which activity takes the maximum time? That is sleeping. So our third answer, we can say that is sleeping, because I need 8 hours. Got it? Now very much important question, that is question number 4, that is what percentage of the days spent on the other activity. एक्टिविटी के लिए 5 आवर्स स्पेंड होता है. सो आई कैन राइट डाउन लाइक 5/24. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो 5 आवर्स मैंने स्पेंड कर रहा हूं, इसका रेफरेंस क्या है? एक दिन में. तो एक दिन इजिकल टू क्या होते हैं? 24 आवर्स. जो 24 आवर्स में 5 आवर्स मैं स्पेंड करता हूं किसमें? अदर एक्टिविटीज के लिए. इसके बाद मुझे क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहे हैं? परसेंटेज. मुझे पता है अगर मेरे पास कोई फ्रैक्शन का वैल्यू है, अगर वहां से मुझे परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है, सिंपल मुझे 100 से इंटू करना है. सो आई कैन राइट डाउन लाइक इंटू 100. नाउ आई कैन सिंप्लीफाई लाइक 250 जा 100 and 212 जा 24, again 26 जा 12 and 225 जा 50. But further I can't move, so I can multiply 25 5s are 125 and by 6. So if I move further, like 125 division 6, so 6 2s are 12 and 5, so can't move, so I take 0 and 0.068 ja 48, means approx I am saying that 20.8%. This is the approx. So fourth answer क्या होगा? 20.88%. Okay. Fifth, if the total times is 24 hours, how much less time is spent on studying compared to sleeping? अच्छा, स्टार्टिंग के लिए जो टाइमिंग है ये स्लीपिंग से कितना कम है? तो स्लीपिंग टाइम 8 घंटे है एंड स्टडिंग टाइम 6 आवर्स है. सो इफ आई कंपेयर, दैट इज 2 आवर्स. सो आई कैन से दिस इज द कंप्लीट आंसर. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. अगर आप लोग को दिक्कत हो रहा है तो प्लीज दोबारा देखिए, समझ में आ जाएगा. And if you have any doubt, if you have any queries regarding our courses, online, offline, then please you can comment in our comment box. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.